All right, everybody, got a quick video here. This should be episode 37 here at Building and Scale. Just wanted to show you guys real quick the Walthers roof details, basically mechanical rooftop equipment. And I really think this adds a whole nother level of detail to your layout structures. These are N scale. I picked these up last month. There are a lot of different types of mechanical rooftop equipment in that set. You've got all sorts of stuff from vents to blowers to generally large rooftop units, and then smaller stacks and smaller vents as well. I mean, all of these are in that set. You get a lot of different types of vents, and you get several of each type. They're pretty easy to assemble these. Here's some that I've put together. Here's a blower. I just got done. He's on a dunnage frame. You can kind of see that. I just got done painting him. I sprayed him, shot him out of the airbrush with this is Vallejo Model Air steel, metallic steel, 71.065. Okay, and then after I hit it with that, I go over it with just a black wash, very thin black wash, just to kind of give it some depth. And then these guys here is, I believe this is the small rooftop unit, and this is the medium rooftop unit. They also have the large rooftop unit, which I have not built yet. I'm not sure where I'm going to put that, but these have some really nice detail. And again, these were a little futzy to put together, especially the small rooftop unit. You know, that's 6 pieces to create that box. Same with the medium one, that's 6 pieces to create the box. And it really can be a little tricky at that small scale to put those together. I had to use some filler and stuff, but overall I think they look okay. They have really nice detail, and they're going to look fine on the roof. And then here's some of the vents, a stack vent, and then just more of a hood here. Again, sprayed with the Vallejo Model Air steel, and then touched with the black wash. So just I think for $10, I think I paid $10 for this set, and I haven't even probably used a third of all of the pieces. It's really worth looking into, and I think it really sets off the buildings by having, especially some of the more industrial buildings, on your layout by adding this stuff to the roof. So if you want to see what these look like on my layout, go to my Facebook page, which is Building N Scale. That's small lowercase I, capital N dash scale, SCALE. Again, Building N Scale. And I just posted some pictures of these guys on some of the structures on my layout. All right, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.